Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. So, I got to thinking, I know, that could be a dangerous thing. We want our planes to be flat. And I had this plane professionally machined flat. So I know this is probably as close to flat as it can be. This one I had repaired and machined flat. And for the most part, it performs everything perfectly fine and cuts exactly as it should. But we are woodworkers. We are not machinists. So I got to thinking, while making the straight edges where straight edge A matches straight edge B and straight edge C, and that means that straight edge C matches straight edge A, I got to thinking, first off, we need to figure out a way to make our own lapping tables. That's the first thing, without going out and buying granite. But then I got to thinking, is it even possible? Call me crazy. That we can take two planes, I know the blades are out, but two planes, similar size, similar condition, and using honing compound, let's say 40 micron, and lapping them to each other, they'd end up taking off the high spots. Then take them to a third plane and lap them to each other. Would it even work? Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Excuse the coughing. That's my stablemate here, Mr. Ebb. If plane A mates up with plane B, and plane B mates up with plane C, then C should mate up with plane A. And you just keep going back and forth. Hone with this one, hone with this one, hone with this one, hone with this one, and keep going until they all match each other. Don't know. I've never done it. And I wish there was a way to try it with pieces of wood. I wish there was a way I could get like aluminum oxide sandpaper grit only. Things that make you go, Well, that's about it for today. Let me know what you think. Maybe talk to some of your machinist friends and see if it would work. Go out in your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.